failing him. We tell him topsy-turvy. We are supposed to leave him to work on his own. But we tell him upside down. That is why he's so much. Where is Sparks? Even those who are very near they die. Those who come closer they perish. If he cases this thing, everything around that is cast.